not calling
twinning.
each other. Yes,
Yeah.
this was very strange.
Yeah,
we look very
I'm
similar.
into it.
I know, I do. Okay, I'm into the fact that you own bees. I have bees on my property in Montana as well.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, I originally put the bees at my dad's house because he's got a bigger piece of property.
Yeah.
And to be fair, I didn't ask him first, but I thought it was a nice gift.
You thought it was a nice gift?
Yeah, I thought that it was
the gift of honey.
The gift of honey,
there
exactly.
You go.
Anyway, long story short, he started wrongly accusing my bees of stinging people. And I knew that I was like, my bees would never do that. Anyway, he ended up kicking them off.
Sting. Okay.
He kicked them off the property, so they also had to leave.
Okay.
But then they found out later that there was a feral hive that was like underneath some leaves and people were stepping on it. And it was those bees that were stinging everyone.
Wrongly accused.
Wrongly accused, yeah.
The bee documentary to be made.
Yes.
Yes.
And so, you know what? Lionel doesn't get any more honey.
No more honey for you,
No,
Lionel.
that's
Get
that.
your own.
Get your own.
Go
yeah.
to Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
You're not getting this one.